Alzheimer's disease is an age-related disease. As our society enters into an aging population, we can imagine that the age population will increase rapidly. By 2050, there will be 152 million people that have the disease. For the people over 65 years old, 1 in 9 will have the disease. So that is the reason it is important to have this project. We need to go back to 10 years ago when we first initiated our project to study the related protein of soluble ST2, IL-33, which is an immune protein. We found that treatment of IL-33 is able to reduce amyloid pathology in AD mouse model. This is our first observation to demonstrate that IL-33 ST2 signaling may be involved in the pathogenesis of AD. And then the next turning point was that while we understand that modulation of IL-33 ST2 signaling may be a therapeutic approach for AD treatment, we have spent quite a number of years to understand what is the best target for the drug development. We later identified that soluble ST2, which is a natural inhibitor of IL-33 ST2 signaling, this protein increases in the blood of AD patient. As the data from the mouse study support that it is a good target. So that is the basis for us to develop our drug discovery program for the soluble ST2 for AD drug treatment. For our future plan, we definitely would like to understand much better how soluble ST2 causes the impaired microglial functions in the Alzheimer's disease brains. That is our major goal. Meanwhile, we are very confident that soluble ST2 is a promising drug target. That is the reason we have already started our drug discovery program. And we also have some candidates for us to continue our preclinical study. Hopefully, we will have good news in near future so that we can be able to further develop those candidate soluble ST2 modulators.